NELVANA logo bloopers. Cut. Nick, what are you doing here? Well, I'm looking for SpongeBob. Well, SpongeBob isn't here. Why don't you go watch the third movie? Okay. Whee. Anyways, take number 2. Cut. DHX kids, what are you doing in this logo? You're supposed to be out. Why does it say SLN Media Group? That's the person who made it? Yeah, just leave. Now. Okay, fine. Let's take it again. Take number 3. Cut. DHX Cookie Jar Incorporated logo. What are you doing in the NELVANA logo? Well, you just want to be here. Sorry, but you can't be here. Okay. And I'll take it again. Take number 5. Take number 4, sorry. What is that sound? Cut. What's the Spiffy Pictures doing here? I'm looking for Curious Buddies and Jack in the Music Box. Well, Curious Buddies and Jack in the Music Box isn't here, so leave the studio right now. Okay, fine. Let's think again. Take number 5. Cut. Why is Nick Jr. here? Well, me and Junior are looking for Dora the Explorer and Backyardigans. Yeah, I agree with Nick. Well, Backyardigans and Dora the Explorer isn't here on the NELVANA logo, so leave the studio. Okay, well, me and Junior have to. So leave the studio. Okay, me and Junior have to leave. You want to die. Okay, well, let's just take it again. Just take number 6. Klasky Supo Splat, what are you doing here? Get out of the logo. I'm taking over the studio because I love you guys. Well, don't you dare take over the studio, so leave the studio! Okay, fine. Don't talk back to me like that, Klasky Supo. Let's take number 8. Cut. Curious Pictures Runaway Dot. What are you doing here? I'm looking for Timon Missouri. I'm sorry, but that doesn't air anymore. Okay. Why don't you go run away? Okay. Okay then. That little dot, he just likes to run away. Right, NELVANA? I believe you're correct. And I know how to pronounce that. Vocodede. Oh, okay. Can you just take, again already? Take number 9. Cut. Why did you show the screen gems S from heck? I'm taking over the studio because I love you guys. Don't take over the studio, so leave the studio. Okay, fine. I hate you guys. Don't talk back to me like that, S from heck. Take it again. Take number 10. Cut. Curious Pictures, weren't you just here a week ago? Watch this. Whee! But can you explain to me what you're doing here? Oh, Oh, I'm looking for Teen Mizumi. Teen Mizumi, I just said it doesn't air. Why don't you go to Cartoon Network and go to Curious Pictures? What'd you say? I said, go watch Cool Kids Next Door. Your logo's on it. Yay! The little Einsteins? Yeah, the smoke is on it. I'll put the runaway dot on it. All right, Nelvana, are you ready for the next take? I'm pretty ready. What? You're on by Chorus Entertainment? That's awesome. Let's take number 11. Cut. DHX Media, what are you doing in this logo? I'm trying to find VeggieTales. Well, VeggieTales isn't here because it is for babies. So please, get out of the studio. Why does he have to sing that song? Because it is #1 extremely annoying. Anyways, take number 12. Cut. United Plankton Pictures, what are you doing in this logo? I'm trying to find SpongeBob. Sorry, but SpongeBob is not here. Why don't you go watch the movie? Just like I said, Nick. Oh, okay. And yeah, let's take again. Take number 13. Cut. Why is Treehouse a Chorus Entertainment company here? Trying to find. I'm looking for Kylan. Well, Kylan isn't here, so leave the studio right now. Okay. And yeah, let's take again. Take number 14. Cut. What's the Noggin logo doing here? I'm looking for Nick Jr. shows. Well, Nick Jr. shows isn't here, so leave the studio right now. Okay, I'll just go watch Sesame Street. Let's take again. Take number 15. Cut. Why is Trans World Entertainment doing here on the NELVANA logo? You're supposed to be out. And there is a VHS company of the Trans World Entertainment logo. Why are you in this logo? Sorry about that. I should leave the studio right now. And yeah, let's think again. Take number 16. Cut. DNA Productions logo from 1994. What are you doing here? I'm trying to find Jimmy Neutron. Jimmy Neutron doesn't air on Nick anymore, so get out of the studio. Okay, now let's take it again. Take number 17. Cut. DNA Productions, Paul, what are you doing in this logo? I'm trying to look for Nickelodeon. Nickelodeon wasn't in the studio, so get out of the studio. Fine. Let's take it again. Take number 17. Cut. Why is Omation here? You're not supposed to show Omation. You're supposed to be out. And why does it say SpongeBob? Omation, what are you doing in here? Trying to find DNA Productions Paul. He just left the studio. Why don't you go find him? Okay, Paul. Alright, let's take it again. Take number 19. Why is Entertainment doing here on the NELVANA logo? I'm trying to look for Treehouse. Treehouse just left the studio. Okay, Treehouse. And let's take it again. Take number 20. Cut. Why is Scholastic and Weston Woods here? Trying for Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. Chicka Chicka Boom Boom isn't here, so get out of here. Fine. Chicka Chicka Boom. Get out! Alright, NELVANA. Let's take 21. Cut. And Circle Entertainment, what are you doing here on the NELVANA logo? Well, I'm taking over the studio. I'm looking for the Science Kid. Said the Science Kid wasn't in the studio, so get out the studio. Fine. Anyways, take number 22. Cut. It includes Scholastic and Weston Woods. What are you guys doing in this logo? Well, we're looking for Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. I said Chicka Chicka Boom Boom isn't here, so get out the studio. Fine. Oh yeah, by the way, NELVANA, this is your warning. Screw up again, you're fired. Alright, take number 23. Cut. Leafy from BFDI, what are you doing here?
Oh, I'm just looking for Fiery, because I miss him so much.
Fiery isn't here, so leave the studio right now. And NELVANA, you're fired. Get out of the studio right now. Oh, darn it, I'm fired. Peace out.